Working on a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta. Just wanted to show you guys something I've been seeing pretty frequently on these. This spring, they've been breaking, and a lot of times, you know, it used to be more something you would see at the lowest coil where it would sit in water, because it would be kind of pulled around this, you know, the spring perch itself, and it would kind of rust out that way. These have actually been breaking more frequently up top, and the spring itself jumps past the upper mount bearing plate, and it scratches up against the chassis of the car. So you know, when you're stationary and you turn the wheel from side to side, you'll hear a terrible grinding noise, and the spring is actually eating up against the chassis. So you want to get that addressed quickly if you hear a noise when you're just turning your wheel back and forth. It's very apparent on this. It wasn't a subtle thing. It was very loud. And actually, both sides did the same thing. I'm sure one of them did it and they ignored it for a little while, and then the other side went, and then it just got so loud that they decided it was time. But it was probably very apparent after the first one broke. But just letting you know, this is something that's been happening. Been seeing it a lot, especially on these later model cars. But all right, thanks.